Hey everyone, Uncle B here. Today we're down here at the boat ramp in Kihei. We're going to do a little whipping. I'm getting ready to try to catch some of the little bait fish. We're going to work our way out along this jetty here and hopefully pick up a papio or hopefully something. Like I said, we're going to try to catch some little bait fish and then I'm going to send that out behind the float. Right now I'm tying on a real small hook. Over at the boat docks, there's a couple of boats getting ready to take people out snorkeling and scuba diving. Actually, you can see there's 4 of them. 3 of them are at the dock and 1's backing in. Now there's a turtle right here off down along the edge here, and he must have dropped his candy bar in the rock there. He spent the whole time I was here trying to get into a little nook and cranny. I assume there was some kind of food in there because he was certainly trying as best he could to get down in there. And he's still there. Like I say, he was there for 3 or 4 minutes at least, and I finally moved on. Anyway, sit back and relax, and hopefully we're going to catch some fish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, it's free to do, it really helps us out. God bless, and mahalo.